Welcome to your serene mountain retreat in beautiful Idyllwild. I've got some incredible new photos to show you of this rare 3/4 acre property.
Starting with the main house, you can see that charming rustic character right from the driveway.
Step inside to the inviting open concept great room centered around this gorgeous cozy stone fireplace. The kitchen features beautiful wooden cabinets and plenty of space for home-cooked mountain meals. Designed for both relaxation and everyday living, the flexible layout includes a tranquil space perfect for a home office. Each room offers peaceful views of the surrounding nature, making every morning feel like a retreat. You'll love the rustic charm and natural light that flows through these well-maintained living spaces. The home is thoroughly turnkey, including 2 full bathrooms that are clean and ready for you to move in. And look at this expansive deck. It's the perfect spot for outdoor living and taking in the mountain air. If you love mountain living insights, make sure to subscribe to my weekly Idyllwild market updates. You're located just under 5 minutes from the heart of town and the renowned hiking trails of Humber Park. This is the perfect blend of peaceful mountain seclusion and effortless everyday convenience. I'd love to show you this remarkable home. Reach out to me today to schedule your private tour.